In most shops, few router bits get used more than a chamfer bit. If you're tired of replacing worn-out chamfer bits, stop replacing the whole bit and start replacing just the cutting edges with Ultra-Shear's Carbide Insert Chamfer Bits. Ultra-Shear Carbide Insert Chamfer Bits use four-sided carbide inserts mounted in a precision milled body. You never have to put up with burn marks or ugly cuts because a fresh set of edges is just seconds away. Just loosen the socket head screws. Rotate the carbide inserts and get right back to work. But the replaceable inserts aren't the only reason to love this chamfer bit. We make it with 2 pilot bearings instead of the typical 1. This gives you a more positive reference for your chamfer. You'll get a flawless profile, whether you're profiling straight edges or curves. Barely softening the edge, or cutting a full 3/8 of an inch deep. We make the carbide insert chamfered bits in both 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch shank, so you can use them in any router, table mounted or handheld. We manufacture these chamfer bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages, just great bits at a great price. Ultra-Shear Carbide Insert Chamfer Bits, a bit for a lifetime of woodworking. Order yours today.